The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that allows you to create the exact space you want. Our products are designed for performance, engineered for durability, and manufactured for quality. Draw It Paint's 3 formulas will allow you to reach every possibility. Behold your best work.
Yeah. You kind of alluded to just the process in general, but do you think you could take us through a step-by-step with, your usual client?
Yeah. So we are in a Pennsylvania. So Pennsylvania is a non-lawyer state. What that means, if we were in New York City and New York State is a lawyer state. So if I was an agent in New York, I would take you out to look at a house. And if you would say, hey, Case, I want to buy the house, I'd say, okay, here's my lawyer. And then we'd be done, right? I wouldn't do anything else. I'm literally just a door opener for the most part. With a non-lawyer state, I do all the things a lawyer does. So I'm showing you the house, I'm negotiating the price, I'm negotiating inspection, I'm making sure your title report comes in so you have no liens on the house. I am helping schedule the work that needs to be done for the house prior to closing. And then I'm there at the settlement table with you to celebrate. So, and with selling, it's also the same thing. I'm staging the house for you. I am helping with pulling tax certs once we get under contract. I'm negotiating inspections and price, and I'm there at the settlement table. So it becomes a process where I might not know you, but in 3 months, we're gonna become best friends because we're gonna be talking every day.